If you're experiencing connection errors with your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your connectivity. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet is working properly. Test your connection on other devices to confirm that the issue is not with your Wi-Fi or internet service. Step 2. Restart your Nintendo Switch. Power off your Nintendo Switch completely and then turn it back on. This can help reset any temporary issues that may be causing connection errors. Step 3. Move closer to the router. If you are using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router. Physical barriers and distance can weaken the signal, leading to connection problems. Step 4. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 5. Change DNS settings. If issues persist, consider changing your DNS settings. Go to System Settings, select Internet, then Internet Settings, and choose your network. Scroll down to DNS settings and set it to manual. You can use public DNS servers like Google S 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce connection errors on your Nintendo Switch. If problems continue, consider contacting Nintendo support for further assistance.